Can you imagine a clock that doesn't just tick, but bends time itself? That's what Bluey found today. The hands spun wildly. Ding! The air cracked open. Whoosh! Bluey and Bingo were pulled inside. Suddenly, dinosaurs. Giant ferns taller than houses. A T-Rex roared. Bingo shrieked. Bluey! Run! And you? Would you hide? Or face it? Bluey spotted glowing clock hands floating. She touched them. Zap! Future world. Skyscrapers of glass. Flying cars zooming. Robots waved hello. Bingo gasped. This is insane. But the hands spun again. Time stopped. Birds frozen in midair. Rivers locked like glass. Bluey whispered. Everything's still. Bingo shivered. It's scary. They held pause, searching for escape. The clock rang again. Dong. They were hurled into a desert of glowing sand. Creatures made of light watched silently. One creature spoke. Turn the clock, or be lost forever. Bluey twisted hard. Sparks exploded. But suddenly, another portal opened beside them. A swirling black hole, pulling them closer. Bingo screamed. Bluey! We'll be trapped. Bluey fought against the wind, clutching her sister. Would you risk it? Or turn away? Then, silence. They were home again. Hearts racing. Bingo laughed breathlessly. We traveled through time. Bluey grinned. Best adventure yet. But wait. Bluey noticed her paw, still glowing with sand. Bingo's eyes widened. Does this mean the clock can pull us back? Bluey smiled nervously. Maybe. Next time. That night, the sand sparkled on their floor. Tiny glowing dunes forming shapes. Bingo gasped. Bluey! It's a map. Bluey nodded slowly. Time isn't finished with us. And maybe today, if you found that clock, would you spin it forward, backward, or smash it shut? If you want more adventures like this, subscribe now and like this video.